Maintaining good health and well-being becomes increasingly important as we age. One of the most effective ways to promote vitality, energy, and longevity is through a balanced and nutritious diet. While there are countless dietary options available, there's no denying the power of nature's bounty. In this video, we'll explore 12 essential natural foods that individuals over 50 should consider incorporating into their daily meals. These foods not only provide numerous health benefits, but also play a crucial role in supporting various aspects of aging gracefully. From enhancing brain function to promoting heart health and maintaining strong bones, this list offers a holistic approach to nourishing your body as you journey beyond 50. So if you're eager to embrace the many advantages of these age-defying foods, watch and discover the path to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, also known as yams, are a nutritious and delicious root vegetable. They're an excellent source of vitamins, particularly vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and the immune system. A single sweet potato can provide several times your daily recommended intake of vitamin A. They are also high in dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting regular bowel movements, which can be particularly helpful for preventing constipation, a common issue in older individuals. Packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene, sweet potatoes can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer and heart disease. Despite their natural sweetness, they have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they have a milder impact on blood sugar levels compared to other starchy foods. The potassium and fiber in sweet potatoes support heart health by regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 2. Black beans. Black beans are a versatile and nutritious legume, especially beneficial for those over 50. They're an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a valuable choice for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is essential for maintaining and repairing tissues in your body and supporting muscle health and overall body function, which becomes more important as you age. Black beans are rich in minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis and fractures. The combination of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein in black beans helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Their high fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, making them useful for weight management. Black beans are also known for their heart-healthy properties, helping to lower cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular health. 3. Beets. Beets, also known as beetroots, are vibrant and nutritious root vegetables that can be a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. Beets are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients play important roles in maintaining overall health, immune function, and energy metabolism. Rich in antioxidants, including betalains, beets help protect your cells from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Some research suggests that the nitrates in beets may enhance exercise performance and endurance. Useful for older individuals looking to stay active and maintain muscle strength. Beets contain compounds that may enhance cognitive function and promote brain health, crucial for maintaining mental clarity and cognitive function as you age. They also support liver function and detoxification processes, which can become less efficient with age. 4. Onions. Onions are a common and versatile vegetable that enhances the flavor of many dishes and offers several health benefits. Onions are a good source of various antioxidants, including quercetin and sulfur compounds, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. They have been linked to improved heart health, potentially lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Onions contain compounds with anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce inflammation in the body, associated with many chronic conditions that become more common with age. The dietary fiber in onions supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation. Onions are also a source of vitamin C, vital for maintaining a healthy immune system, which is essential for fighting off infections and illnesses as you age. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in onions may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple of Mediterranean cuisine, known for its numerous health benefits. It's primarily composed of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which can positively impact heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. These healthy fats can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in your arteries, lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. Olive oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with numerous age-related diseases, so managing it is crucial for overall well-being. Some studies suggest that olive oil may help lower blood pressure, essential for maintaining heart health as you age. Olive oil is calorie-dense, but its healthy fats can help you feel full and satisfied, making it a useful component of a balanced diet for weight management. The antioxidants in olive oil, along with its healthy fats, contribute to healthy and youthful skin by reducing signs of aging and promoting a natural glow. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, used for centuries in traditional medicine and cuisine. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, associated with various age-related conditions including arthritis and chronic diseases. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your cells from oxidative damage, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases and contributing to overall well-being. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric may provide pain relief for conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis and alleviate muscle pain, beneficial for older individuals. Some research suggests that curcumin may have neuroprotective properties, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, supporting brain health as you age. Some studies suggest that curcumin in turmeric may help prevent and treat cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing tumor spread. However, more research is needed in this area. Curcumin has also been used in skincare products for its potential benefits in reducing skin inflammation and improving skin appearance, particularly in addressing age-related skin conditions. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a popular herb used in cooking and traditional medicine worldwide. It's well known for its heart-protective properties, helping to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, bad cholesterol, significantly lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Garlic contains natural compounds with antibacterial and antiviral properties, protecting against infections and illnesses, particularly useful for older individuals with higher susceptibility to infections. Rich in antioxidants, garlic helps protect your cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, with antioxidant properties attributed to compounds like allicin, released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Garlic has anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation in the body associated with many age-related conditions. Historically, garlic has been used to boost the immune system, potentially preventing and alleviating common colds and other infections, which can become more common as you age. 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy and nutritious dairy product that can be a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. It's a fantastic source of high-quality protein containing more protein per serving compared to regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for individuals who may need more protein to support muscle health and overall body function. Many varieties of Greek yogurt contain live probiotic cultures supporting gut health and aiding in digestion, increasingly important as you age. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium and vitamin D, essential for maintaining strong bones, crucial for preventing osteoporosis and fractures in older age. The combination of protein and probiotics in Greek yogurt can help you feel full and satisfied, making it valuable for weight management. Probiotics can promote a healthy gut microbiome, reducing the risk of digestive problems and supporting regular bowel movements. 9. Ginger. Ginger is a versatile and flavorful root with a long history of use in both culinary and traditional medicine. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogols with potent anti-inflammatory effects, making it helpful for managing inflammation in the body, associated with various age-related conditions, including arthritis and chronic diseases. Ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues, reducing symptoms of indigestion, nausea, and bloating, which become more common with age. It may also help with motion sickness and morning sickness. Ginger is well known for alleviating nausea, whether caused by morning sickness, motion sickness, or chemotherapy-induced nausea, beneficial for older individuals. Ginger may reduce the symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, potentially improving joint function and reducing pain and stiffness, important for managing arthritis, which becomes more prevalent with age. 10. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a crisp and refreshing vegetable that can be a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're over 50. They have high water content, helping to keep you hydrated, essential for overall health as you age to maintain essential bodily functions. Cucumbers are low in calories, making them a healthy choice for weight management, which can become more challenging with age. They've been used in skincare products for their potential to soothe and hydrate the skin, reducing skin irritation and puffiness, beneficial for older individuals. Due to their low-calorie, high water, and fiber content, cucumbers can help you feel full and satisfied without significantly adding to your calorie intake. Some studies suggest that cucumbers may help regulate blood sugar levels, important for managing diabetes, a condition that becomes more prevalent with age. 11. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food, excellent for high-quality protein, essential for maintaining and repairing tissues in your body. Protein becomes increasingly important as you age to support muscle health and overall body function. Eggs are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a variety of B vitamins such as B12, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid, important for energy metabolism and overall health. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, an essential nutrient critical for brain health, nerve function, and liver function, particularly important for cognitive function and memory as you age. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants beneficial for eye health, potentially reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Contrary to previous concerns, research shows that moderate egg consumption is not significantly associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Eggs contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, part of a heart-healthy diet. 12. Salmon. Salmon is a highly nutritious and versatile fish, renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, associated with various health benefits including heart health and brain function. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. Regular consumption of salmon is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke, which becomes a greater concern as you age. DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, is a major component of the brain, and consuming salmon may help support cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline, including conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating these 12 natural foods into your daily diet can be a wise and delicious choice if you're over 50. These foods offer a wide range of health benefits, from supporting heart health and promoting bone strength to reducing inflammation and aiding in weight management. Remember that a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to meeting your nutritional needs as you age. It's also important to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions. They can provide personalized guidance to help you make the most of these natural foods and ensure they align with your unique health goals. Bonus tip: stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is crucial for maintaining bodily functions, especially as you age. Adding slices of cucumber or lemon to your water can make it more refreshing and provide additional nutrients.